Welcome back. And today I'm going over number 4 out of the Tai Chi ruler system. Number 4 form is called Dantian rotation side circle. Starting off with feet your shoulder width apart, bend the knees a little bit, just slightly. Gently holding the ruler with the palms of your hand. And this is the side circle. We're going to rotate 9 times. And then after that 9 times, you're going to go the other way 9 times. Face the other way so you can see at a different angle. And then I'll go the up, again, you go clockwise 9 times and then counterclockwise 9 times. And you can do, say you could do a full breath inhaling of 1 circle and then exhaling 1 circle. Or you can go inhale, half circle, and then exhaling the other half circle. So it's up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. Just be sure to be relaxed in a peaceful state. And gently let your body, get your full body also into this exercise. So like I say, 9 times, and then the other way 9 times. And you can, don't think of like trying to go as huge, big of a circle. Think of your solar plex, Dantian, and the 2 or pressure points on each side of your body. So from your solar plex, pressure point, Dantian, and then the other pressure point. So this is about the width of the circle that you can be doing. That's comfortable also for you. And then after each of these forms, you can do a clearing. And then the opposite direction. Like a energy clearing. So again, this was number 4, Dantian rotation, level circle. 9 times clockwise and 9 times counterclockwise. And there you have it. And until next time, have a great day.